So today we are going to ask some question in English, and ma'am, you have to give answer in English. So I will ask you have to give answer in English language. So basic grammar, tense. I'm going to ask you basic question. So did you see the doctor yesterday?
I saw the doctor yesterday.
Did you come yesterday?
I did not come yesterday.
Did you take bath yesterday?
I took bath yesterday.
Did you throw the garbage?
I did not throw the garbage.
Did you purchase dress?
I did not purchase dress.
Did you take tea yesterday?
I took tea yesterday.
Did you steal mobile?
I did not steal mobile.
Did he steal mobile?
He stole mobile.
Did he purchase car?
He purchased car.
Did you purchase car?
I did not purchase car.
Did you tear book?
I did not wear book.
क्या आप कपड़े खरीदे थे
Did you purchase clothes?
या मैंने खरीदा था?
I purchased clothes.
मैं कल बाजार गई थी. मैं कल बाजार गई थी.
I
I went to market.
went to market yesterday.
ओके कल मैं नौका विहार गई थी.
I went to Naga Vihar yesterday.
कल मैं आई थी.
I came here yesterday.
मैंने कल देखी थी.
I did not see movie.
I did not watch movie.
I did not watch movie.
मैंने कल पोछा नहीं लगाया था.
I did not mop the floor.
कल मैं बाजार नहीं गई थी.
I did not went to market.
I did not go to market.
I did not go to market.
कल मैंने डॉक्टर से सलाह नहीं लिया था.
I did not consult the doctor.
क्या आपने डॉक्टर से सलाह लिया था?
Did you consult the doctor?
हाँ मैंने डॉक्टर से सलाह लिया था.
I consult the doctor.
I consulted to doctor.
I consulted the doctor.
क्या आपने कूड़ा फेंका था?
Did you throw the garbage?
हाँ मैंने कूड़ा फेंका था.
I threw the garbage.
I threw-
threw the garbage.
वेरी गुड. मैं कल आई थी.
I came yesterday.
मैं कल नहीं आई थी.
I did not come yesterday.
कल मैंने दही जमाया था.
I I rented the milk.
I renated the milk.
I rented the milk.
मैंने दही नहीं जमाया था.
I did not renate the milk.
मैंने आपको कल फोन किया था.
I made a call
मैंने
yesterday.
फोन नहीं किया था.
I did not make a call.
ओके वो फोन किया था.
He made a call.
वो फोन नहीं किया
He
था.
did not make a call.
मैं फोन की थी.
I made a call.
ओके मैं खा रही थी. मैं खा रही थी. I was taking.
I was taking.
मैं नहीं खा रही थी.
I was not taking.
I was not taking.
I was not taking.
वो खा रहा था.
He is taking.
He-
He was
He
taking.
was taking. वो जा रहा था.
He was going.
वो नहीं जा रहा था.
He was not going.
वो बोल रहा था.
He was speaking.
मैं बोल रही थी.
I was speaking.
मैं सो रही थी.
I was sleeping.
मैं नहा रही थी.
I was taking bath.
वो नहा रहा था.
He is taking bath. He
वो
was
नहा.
taking bath.
वेरी गुड. ओके मैं कल गया था.
I went yesterday.
ओके कल मैं नहीं गया था.
I did not go yesterday.
ओके कल मैं मन्नत मांगी थी.
I take a vow.
आई took a oath.
I took a vow.
मैंने मन्नत मांगा था.
I took a vow.
मैंने मन्नत नहीं मांगा था.
I did not take
उसने
vow.
मन्नत मांगा था.
He took a vow.
ओके वो कल बोला था.
He told yesterday.
ही स्पोक yesterday.
He spoke yesterday.
वो नहीं बोला था.
He did not spoke yesterday.
He did not speak.
He did not speak yesterday.
ओके अगर बोलना है कि ये आपकी गलत फहमी है, then how to speak in English?
You are mistaken. It's not
Okay.
your mistaken.
It is not your mistaken.
It is not your mistaken.
ओके ये आपकी गलत फहमी है. ये आपकी गलत फहमी है.
It's your mistaken.
ये आपकी गलत फहमी नहीं है.
It is not your mistaken.
ये मेरी गलत फहमी है.
It's my mistaken.
It's my mistaken. Very good. So we have to answer in English. Okay, did you take bath?
I take bath.
I took bath.
I took bath.
Did you watch movie yesterday?
I watched movie yesterday.
Did you take tea yesterday?
I took tea yesterday.
Did you take breakfast yesterday?
I took breakfast yesterday.
Okay, did you call me yesterday?
I called you yesterday.
Okay, बोलते आपके खातिर,
For your sake,
देश के खातिर,
for country sake,
पापा के खातिर,
for father's sake,
मम्मी के खातिर,
for mummy's sake,
इंग्लिश के खातिर.
for English sake.
बोलते हैं मैं इंडो अमेरिका आती हूँ.
I came in Indo-America.
I come.
I come
आती
Indo-America.
हूँ हर रोज आती हूँ. ओके आई कम इंडो अमेरिका.
I come Indo-America.
इंग्लिश के खातिर
For English sake,
मैं इंडो अमेरिका आती हूँ.
I come Indo-America for English sake.
ओके मैं बोल सो डिड यू मॉप द फ्लोर yesterday?
I did not mop the floor yesterday.
ओके डिड यू गो टू गोरखपुर yesterday?
I did not go to Gorakhpur yesterday.
डिड यू गो टू कॉलेज?
I did go to college.
आई वेंट टू कॉलेज.
I went to college.
डिड ही गो टू कॉलेज?
He went to college.
डिड ही टेक समोसा yesterday?
He took samosa yesterday.
ओके डिड यू अटेंड द कॉल?
I attended the call.
आई अटेंडेड द कॉल.
I attended the call.
डिड यू कॉल मी yesterday?
I did not call you yesterday.
आई डिड नॉट कॉल यू.
I did not call yesterday.
डिड यू थ्रो द गार्बेज?
Uh, Pardon, please.
Did you throw the garbage?
I did not throw the garbage.
Okay. Did you take breakfast?
I did not take breakfast.
Did you milk the cow?
I milked the cow.
So did you first of all listen, and it is a totally practice about the past tense. So did you take bath yesterday in morning?
I took bath yesterday.
बॉडी लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे, हाथ ऊपर रखेंगे बॉडी लैंग्वेज के साथ. या ऑफ कोर्स. डिड यू टेक बाथ यस्टरडे?
I took bath yesterday.
डिड यू कम यस्टरडे?
I did not come yesterday.
डिड यू प्ले क्रिकेट?
I played cricket.
डिड यू टेक ब्रेकफास्ट यस्टरडे?
I took breakfast.
ओके.
yesterday.
डिड यू सी द डॉक्टर?
I saw the doctor.
डिड ही सी द डॉक्टर?
He did not see the doctor.
ओके. डिड ही कम यस्टरडे?
He did not come yesterday.
डिड यू कम यस्टरडे?
I come yesterday.
डिड यू टेक बाथ?
I took bath.
डिड यू स्टील मोबाइल?
I steal mobile.
डिड ही स्टील मोबाइल?
He did not steal mobile.
वेरी गुड. बोलते मेरे लिए इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे मेरे लिए?
For its sake.
फॉर माई शेक.
For my sake. Yes.
ओके. बोलते पापा के खातिर?
For my father's sake.
ओके. बोलते देश के खातिर?
For country's sake.
बोलते कि इंग्लिश के खातिर?
For English sake.
बोलते जॉब के खातिर?
For job sake.
फॉर जॉब से. वेरी गुड.